Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I have a new indie makeup brand in my stash today and it is Shroud Cosmetics. I picked up their Peaches and Dreams palette. This retails for $50. It is currently sold out on their website, but I am hoping they do a restock really soon. In this palette, you are getting 10 different shades, an equal mix of matte and multi-chromes. So 5 matte, 5 multi-chromes. I think this color story is perfect for the summer. I am so excited. I'm going to be creating 2 looks for you guys today, and I'm just interested to see, how the formula performs. The palette did swatch out really well, so I have high expectations going in. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you and invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you are a fan of indie makeup, in particular Shroud Cosmetics, or you just want to see what Peaches and Dreams is all about, give this video a thumbs up before you go. I will have the rest of the makeup that I have on linked in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links if you do end up shopping through them. Thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Let's get started. If y'all want to see Peaches and Dreams in action, keep on watching. Now I've already primed my eyelids with my go-to primer of the moment, and it is from Sugar Drizzle. I do have a code with Sugar Drizzle. It is Steff10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. Where are we going to start? I was thinking we would do something maybe blue and orange. I love that color combination together. So maybe I can do this all over the lid, and then we can work with these 2 orange shades on the lower lash line. I think that's going to be the plan for look number 1. So this first shade is called Drenched. And I'm taking Drenched on a BK Beauty 206. Let me know if you guys have tried Shroud Cosmetics before. What are some of your favorite palettes? They've been on my radar for a while, and they were one of the brands that I wanted to try in 2023. So I'm so glad I got the opportunity to order this palette and just try it out for you guys. Maybe this will become a new favorite indie brand in my stash. We'll see. I'm really liking the color story. I think the color story screams summer, even spring, just something bright and fun. That blue is going on really, really well. You want to be careful with your blues that you don't over blend them. You see I'm kind of doing more of like a stamping motion, and then I'll lightly just blend out the edges. I don't really care about this part since I am going to be doing a couple multi-chromes there. So that's why I'm not really making sure it looks that great in that area, but up here is where we want it to look good. Now in a BK207, I'm going in with this lighter orange first. The shade is called Peach Milk, and I'm going to run that on the lower lash line. I'm going to bring it down a little bit more, and then we're going to use the darker orange closer to kind of tight line and just bring in that depth. Now I'm going in with Heat Wave. Again, I'm going to keep it closer. Same brush. Now I'm going to use a little bit of NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to apply that to the lid. I'm using a Game Beauty E04. Okay, so I want to use 2 different shimmer shadows. I think I'm going to leave this one. Actually, you know what? Let me go in with this one first. I want this one for the inner corner. It's a little bit of fallout. Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit of fallout. Very nice. There is some texture to them. They're not like smooth multi-chromes, but that's okay. I like this. Okay, now I'm going to flip the brush over, and I think I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one is called Succulent. I'm going to spray this one. I'm going to see if that will, I just sprayed it with some setting spray. Yeah, that helps. I'm not feeling fallout. This one actually feels like it's a little bit smoother too. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Sun Shower, and I'm going to bring that down to the lower inner corner. I'm using a damp Rephr 03. And with that, guys, I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. And I will be right back to show you this completed look number 1. So here's a completed look number 1. I'm loving these multi-chromes, the blue and the orange together. Peach, one of my favorite color combinations. The mascara I'll be using in today's video is L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And for the top lash line, I started doing a blue eyeliner. It was one of the new ink liners from Urban Decay, but it didn't really show up, so that's why I just went in with the black, and it's this one right here from Drizzle. And then for the lower waterline, a ColourPop cream gel liner. This one is in the shade Bay Breeze. Love the look. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. So there's only 2 matte shades that I haven't used, and we're going to use them obviously right now. It's the purple and the green. I think I want to do the green on top and I'll do the purple on the bottom. So kind of like what I did with this eye where I did the blue all over, I'm going to do the same thing but now with the green. The green is called Flourish. And I'm going to take that on a BK 203. Now I'm going to go in with the purple shade. It's called Velveteen, and I'm using a Rephr 26, and this is what we're doing for the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX glitter primer on the lid. I'm using my Morphe M124. Now I think I'm going to start with this shade for the outer corner. This one is called Whimsy. That out here. Not feeling fallout from this one. I think maybe the first shade was because I might have picked up too much. That is stunning. Now I'm going to go in with Felicity, and this is the only shade that I haven't used yet. So now I've officially used all the shades in this 10-pan palette. I'm very happy about that because I wanted to try them all for you guys. Very, very pretty. Wow. With my finger, I'm going to pick up a little bit of this shade right here. Just put it right in the center. Oh, that is so pretty. Now I think I'm going to go back with the shade Whimsy, and I'm going to do it right here in the inner corner. Now on a damp Rephr 26, I'm going back in with the shade Whimsy, which is what I have out here. And now I'm going to pop off camera to take care of the finishing touches. Oh, love it. And I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 2. The completed look number 2. I love the green. I love green and purple together. I think it's such a fun color combination. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. Another ColourPop cream gel liner. This is a light blue one. This one is in the shade Big Splash. I love it. I love the way both of these looks turned out. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on the Peaches and Dream palette from Shroud Cosmetics. Alright guys, so 2 looks later, 10 shades later, I am going to give the Peaches and Dreams palette from Shroud Cosmetics 2 thumbs up. I loved playing with these beautiful multi-chromes. I think that the matte shades performed really well. This is a fun palette, and this is an easy palette to work with. I really hope they restock this. I would imagine they would do at least one more restock of it, but we'll see. This is an easy palette to work with in that you could just do the looks I created. I mean, I did one matte on top, 2 mattes on the lower lash line, and then you just play with the multi-chromes. I definitely recommend a glitter primer. The one from NYX is my go-to, but I didn't have any issues. I mean, like I told you guys, I think I just picked up too much product, too much of the shadow on the brush for the first multi-chrome, but after that, I really didn't get any fallout. So this is a great palette all around. It's such a fun color story. You do get a mirror up here. Once again, it retails for $50. colors. I think I used Batty Bean. I think I used her discount code, but I think Karen Harris just got a discount code. So I'll have either one of those ladies' discount codes in the description box in case you want to pick up anything from the brand. But I think this was a really cute idea. I love it. All the packaging, everything. Shroud Cosmetics is definitely on my radar now that they made such a great first impression. Let me know what you think about Shroud Cosmetics. What are your favorite palettes? What do you love? What do you not love? Have you heard of them before? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.